These days, the hot cake in AI is voice AI agents. Everyone is rushing to build their own voice AI agent for one use case or another. At the same time, almost every other big lab is releasing either their own voice AI model or their own voice AI agentic framework. Google has simplified this a lot, in my humble opinion. If you're looking to build an AI voice agent without any frills or much ado, I would suggest have a look at Google ADK, which is their agentic development framework, which allows you to create the agents quite easily with simple Python code. We already have covered that ADK on the channel, but in this video I'm going to show you how easily and quickly you can create a voice AI agent with Google ADK. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. I will be using Google AI Studio. If you have never used it, just sign in with your free Google account, get your API key, and it comes with a lot of free credits, and then you can start using it very easily. So I'm using this Ubuntu system. First step, just create a virtual environment. This is not mandatory, but always a good idea. And by the way, if you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, so I just need to install my Conda first. And now my Conda environment is getting created. While that happens, let me quickly introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Agent, which is the world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application that empowers you to build, manage and deploy a custom AI workforce, and you will find their link in video's description. And now we can install our Google ADK, which is a simple pip command. This is going to take a few seconds. And Google ADK is now installed. Next up, just put your Gemini's API key, which you grabbed from Google's AI Studio for free, and then just put it here. Let me set my key and clear the screen. And now let's initialize a folder with this key, and the model which we are going to use is this Flash Live. And this is the whole trick. So you just specify the model, and then the modality is automatically detected by Google. If you just want to use text-based agent, you just mention like Google Gemini, and if you want to use a speech one, you just mention Flash Live model. So let me run this, and there you go. It has quickly created your voice AI agent, which you can also check. All you need to do is to just change this file as per your own use case, and you are good to go. You can even go with the default one. So let me open it in the VS Code and show you what it looks like. And this is what this whole thing looks like. As you can see, .env contains API key, and this agent.py is a simple agent where the system role is that it answers users' questions to best of its knowledge, and that's about it. You can give it any name. Also, as you know, that primarily the agent is simply an AI powered application which do some tasks. That's it. So if you want agent to search the web, you can give it this tool, and if you want the agent to do any other thing, you just give it the respective tool. So here Google search is the tool which comes by default. You don't really have to do anything else. You just need to mention this, where it is just going to use the Google search to find Fahad Mirza AI YouTuber. So this is, we are simple, we are building a simple agent which is doing this simple search with this tool. And just by following this example, you can build any agent with any tool. You can define your own custom tools, and how to do that I already have covered in this ADK video. Just search with the ADK and you should be able to find how to do that. It's quite a good flexible tool. Not only it works with Google's model, but also it is model agnostic now, so you can use any other model including the Ollama ones, and I also have done that video if you just search the channel. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal and let me clear this, and we are going to run this ADK with this voice agent. And running it is as simple as running this command, which is going to open it on your local host at this port, and 8001 and this host, and of course you can spy anything of your choice. There you go, it is running, and now you can just go and open it in your browser. So let me do that, and this is running in my VM as you can see. And on the left hand side you can select your agent, on the right hand side you can start with it. So let me, for example, if I scroll down, there are a lot of agents. This is the one which we have built, and as you see I already have reached here. So let me see if I have the credit. I'm just going to click on microphone. I'll say allow, and I'll just say hello.
Okay, before I respond, I'll do a quick search on Google about Fahad Mirza, an AI YouTuber, to make sure I have up-to-date information. Is that right? Okay, I've done a quick search. Fahad Mirza is an AI YouTuber who focuses on AI, cloud, DevOps, and databases. He has a YouTube channel with over 48,000 subscribers, where he shares his knowledge and insights. He also has experience with Alibaba Cloud's AI services. Did you want to know anything else about him?
Where did you get this Alibaba information?
You would like some more information about Alibaba? Alibaba Group was founded in 1999 by Jack Ma and 17 others. It's a Chinese multinational technology company specializing in e-commerce, retail, internet, and technology. Key platforms include.
Okay, I have refreshed it. I'm not sure where exactly, maybe somewhere from here in my description and stuff. So anyway, but you see that one thing very important to note is that this is a dynamic information, the 48,000 subs. So the agent has just gone and actually did the web search and got that information. This is what I wanted to test, and this is one area which has improved a lot. And of course there is a lot of other information around events, what sort of states, and because they can have multiple session. Within one session you can encapsulate everything. You can throw in some evals to test out what happened. I have done a lot of videos on evals just to make sure that when we want to ensure that the response of the models are harmless, honest, and helpful, and all that, anything else you want it to be, you can use evals. Plus you can also specify the memory, the state, and everything of your agent. A lot of things which you can do with it, but as I said, I already have done that. Anyway, this is how simple it is to create your agent tools and all that stuff. Things have come a long way. You can do a lot of other things. You can just put it in some sort of orchestration engine to have RAG or whatever you want to do. There are heaps of them. We have covered them on the channel. Sky is the limit now. So things are becoming simpler and simpler within the matter of weeks. This is the lay of the land. Let me know what do you think. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.